Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
We should put aside some money for emergencies. She can't wait to dig into her new book. I need to buckle down and focus on my work. They've been handing out flyers all morning. Can you wrap up this package for me, please? It's difficult to scrape by on minimum wage. We need to scrape off this old paint before repainting. Please go over your answers before submitting the test. He managed to wiggle out of going to the dentist. You'll need to break in your shoes before the marathon. They hope to work through the negotiations by Friday. It's hard to deal with her. She's so unpredictable. Can we cut back on our spending this month? The company plans to branch out into new markets. I always get up early to exercise before work. Let's go over the presentation one more time. You should look into investing as a way to save money. How can we work around this problem? She's been knocked down with a cold all week. They're looking to sell off some of their assets. The detective decided to delve into the case more deeply. She had to call up her trip due to unforeseen circumstances. They are planning to carry through with the renovation despite the cost. I need to buckle down and focus on my work. Can you turn out the lights before you leave? It's hard to eke out a living in this economy. The company is planning to lay off several employees. He has a habit of droning on about trivial matters. We need to get up early tomorrow to catch the flight. She's been trying to fit in with the new team at work. He struck up a conversation with a stranger on the train. Can you work out why this happened? We need to set off early to beat the traffic.
Thanks for watching.